Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Faisal. At this time, I will show you about my project for a service company application for monitoring pressure transmitter. And this is an electrical system or electrical diagram, and this is my software for monitoring current and pressure. I made this software use C# WinFront application, and the editor I use Visual Studio. First of all, I will show you about this hardware or electrical system. I use 24-volt power supply DC for two modules. The first of all is analog input X channel to Modbus RTU. After that, I use Modbus TCP to Modbus RTU converter or gateway, and the analog input X channel I use mode 3 for until 20 milliamp. So this module can read for until 20 milliamp. After that, convert to Modbus RTU and convert again Modbus RTU to TCP. So this software can communication Modbus TCP with my hardware with my gateway. And for the simulation, I use the current injector for until 20 milliamp signal generator. So this module can send for until 20 milliamp analog data to analog input 1 at this module. So I will connect. The first, we can connect the application with my hardware. First of all, we can click the icon of the connected, and we can see address of the communication at my hardware. This is a ID, IP, and port of the basic communication with Modbus TCP. We can connect, click connect. Nah, the software pop up, the device is connected. So the software is connected with my hardware. You can see the LED receive and transmit is on or blinking, and we can see at my software, and we can click channel 1 for monitoring at analog input 1, channel 2, channel 3 until channel 8, and we can see at the signal generator because I use the signal generator at analog input channel 1. So at the analog input channel 1, we can see 4.5 milliamp, and we can see the current value is 4.44 milliamp. So I can adjust the potentiometer at the signal generator. As we can see, the value is changed. We can check at 20 milliamp at the monitoring. So we can check and adjust until 20 milliamp. At 20 milliamp is 19.74 or 75. That's a little different. It's not problem. For the acquisition of data, we can click the start button just like this. So the acquisition data with 200 millisecond, the data is generated, and this is a chart of the current, and this is converted from 4 until milliamp with the maximum and zero actual. we can change and adjust again value of the signal generator. You can see the plot is changed. You can check again. Nah, we can until 4 milliamp. The current value is 0. Nah. So if the acquisition is done, we can click button stop. Now after that we can text or we can fill the description for generate PDF of this data. We can type the description is test with injector. After that, the serial number we can type 123. Model number is 123. And we can click for the application. We can prepare by, maybe I can text my name, Iqbal. So that approved by Faisal. If we have done, we can click OK. After that, close. So for generate the data, we can click generate. Nah, generate data is successful. After that, we can save this data. We can save this data and we can save this plot of graphic from the current and the pressure for the calibration result. We can save. Nah, I will save it my desktop. I click OK and the data save successful. After that, pop up. Nah, this is my data generate at this date and time. I can click, we can open. This is the result of generate from my software. You can see the description, serial number is same. After that, gauge scale-nya is PSI and maximum number is same, and date and due date inspection-nya same. After that, we can see the plotting of monitoring current and monitoring pressure. And after that, this is a table monitoring from icon. The acquisition is 200 millisecond. Sorry. So the data from this list is converted to this table. So we can see the acquisition of data. And after that, for the field of the prepare, you can see performed by Iqbal, and this is for the signature, and after that approved by Faisal, and this is his signature. If we can change the description, we can change the description and the typo from Z injector. We can change at the software. Maybe we can add in injector for until 20 milliamp. After that, we can generate again and save again and stop. Data save success. You can pop up. Nah, the description is changed and the data is changed. Send. If we can clear this data, we can click the button clear for clear the data. So just like that. Thank you for the watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.